So this is the CKD Mini Collection. We're standing here, and Mr. Meyer from Meyer's Minis. Some might say you're a little bit of a fundi when it comes to minis, Mr. Meyer.
Yeah, I've always been in love with minis. I think going back to probably the mid-70s. Mm-hmm. And it just so happens that I fell in love with a Mini Cooper S, and I also just happen to know just about everybody that bought and owned Cooper S's in South Africa. Yeah. There were only plus minus 600 Mini Cooper S's that came to South Africa as what they call complete knockdown kits. Yeah. They were only assembled here, as opposed to the other minis that were manufactured here in South Africa at Blackheath.
Surprisingly, the Blackheath factory just down the road.
Yes, yeah. Unfortunately, they closed. I think like most of the car manufacturers in the UK. It's a pity, but we're trying to keep the Mini alive.
I can see that. So let's get a quick tour of the factory that you have over here, the restoration factory.
Yeah, so what we have here is also a very special car, also a Cooper S. The body's been restored. We're just busy building the motor that will go into this car, and soon this one will also be back on the road.
Oh, yeah. Looking forward to it.
And we have here, this is called a Mini Sprint. As far as I know, it's probably the only one here in South Africa.
It looks a bit smaller.
Yes, I think somebody had the bright idea to make it a bit smaller. In fact, there's quite a few of them in the UK. This one here, as you can see, it's already been done. It's about plus minus 2 inches shorter than the normal Mini. We hope to put the motor in here soon and get this one back on the road. So these are also very, very special cars. They were made under license in Pietermaritzburg. This one was one of the ones that were made here in South Africa. And that one there, I've just discovered, that one was probably imported into South Africa because it has a British body plate on there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Meyer, the reason I came here is, and these are all fascinating, but I came here for Mini Cooper S's.
Yes.
And there's one standing right over there.
Yeah, so that is a very special also Austin Cooper S Mk2. So what is special about this car here is that this car has got a cross-flow cylinder head, complete management system, and it has got a limited slip diff in here.
Wow. Can we start it up? Folks, that is it for now from this incredible facility. Join us for part 2, where I take one of these Mini Cooper S's for a retro review.